Hello and welcome to the world of fungi. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into this fascinating kingdom of organisms and explore everything from their anatomy to their importance in our ecosystem. Fungi are everywhere. They can be found in the soil, in the air, and even on our bodies. But despite their widespread presence, they often go unnoticed and underappreciated. Mushrooms are perhaps the most recognizable form of fungi, but they're only a small part of this diverse kingdom. In fact, there are over 100,000 species of fungi, each with its own unique characteristics and adaptations. So, what exactly is a fungus? Well, it's a type of organism that lacks chlorophyll, which means it can't produce its own food like plants. Instead, fungi feed by breaking down organic matter and absorbing the nutrients. You might be thinking, wait a minute, I've seen bread mold before, isn't that a fungus? You're absolutely right. In fact, some species of fungi are decomposers, breaking down dead plant and animal material and recycling it in the ecosystem. But not all fungi are decomposers. Some species form symbiotic relationships with other organisms, such as plants. For example, the roots of most trees have a symbiotic relationship with a type of fungus called mycorrhizae. The fungus provides the tree with nutrients and water, while the tree provides the fungus with carbohydrates. It's a beautiful example of cooperation in nature. And, of course, we can't forget about the delicious side of fungi. Edible fungi, such as mushrooms and truffles, are prized for their rich, earthy flavor and are used in a variety of dishes all over the world. But fungi aren't just good to eat, they also have medicinal properties. For example, the compound penicillin, which is used to treat bacterial infections, is produced by the fungus Penicillium. And traditional Chinese medicine has used mushrooms for centuries to treat a variety of ailments. Here are some interesting facts about fungi you may not know about. Fungi are more closely related to animals than to plants. They share more similarities with animals in terms of their cellular structure and metabolism. Some fungi can produce light, a phenomenon known as bioluminescence. For example, the species Messina lux chelli produces a glowing blue light that can be seen in the dark forests of Brazil. Some fungi can change the behavior of other organisms. For example, the fungus Ophiocordyceps unilateralis infects ants, causing them to leave their colony and attach themselves to leaves, where the fungus can continue to grow. Fungi are responsible for producing some of the most toxic substances on the planet, such as the poison used on arrowheads in South America and the deathcap mushroom, which is responsible for most mushroom-related deaths. Some fungi can survive extreme conditions, such as high temperatures and radiation. For example, the fungus Aspergillus niger can grow at temperatures up to 60 degrees Celsius and is used in the production of fermented foods like soy sauce and vinegar. Fungi can form networks underground that stretch for miles, connecting the roots of multiple plants and allowing them to share nutrients and water. This network is called a mycorrhizal network. Some species of fungi can break down tough materials such as cellulose and lignin, making them important decomposers in the ecosystem. Fungi play a critical role in the production of cheese, beer, and bread. In the case of cheese, fungi are used to produce the characteristic flavors and textures. Fungi can have a profound effect on the environment. For example, the introduction of a species of fungus to the native tree population of Australia has led to the decline of several species of eucalyptus trees. Some species of fungi are edible and are considered a delicacy in many cultures, such as truffles, shiitake mushrooms, and morels. In conclusion, fungi are truly amazing organisms that play an important role in our ecosystem and our lives. So next time you see a mushroom, take a moment to appreciate these fascinating creatures. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of fungi. We hope you learned something new and, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content.